Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MongoDB Atlas cluster and connect, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your MongoDB Atlas cluster, start by visiting the MongoDB Atlas website. Create a MongoDB Atlas account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access the Atlas dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on the Build a New Cluster button. Choose your preferred cloud provider and region from the available options. Select the cluster tier that suits your project needs. You can choose between free and paid options depending on your workflow. After selecting the tier, click on Create Cluster to begin the cluster provisioning process. This may take a few minutes, so be patient while your cluster is being set up. Once the cluster is active, you'll see it listed on your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Database Access section in the left-hand menu. Click on Add New Database User to create a user who can access your database. Enter a username and password for the new user. Select the database user privileges based on the tasks they will perform. After configuring the user, click Add User to save your settings. Now, go to the Network Access section from the left-hand menu. Click on Add IP Address to allow your IP to access the cluster. You can allow access from your current IP by choosing the option to allow access from anywhere. If you have a specific IP address, enter it in the provided field. Now that your cluster is accessible, return to the dashboard. Click on the Connect button next to your cluster. A pop-up window will appear with connection options. Choose the Connect Your Application option for application connectivity. Select the driver and version that matches your application stack. Copy the provided connection string, which contains your cluster information. In your application, paste the connection string and replace the username and password placeholders with your new user credentials. Make any necessary adjustments to the connection string based on your application's requirements. Save your changes and run your application to establish the connection to your MongoDB Atlas cluster. Monitor the connection status and check for any error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.